The International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies, observed annually on 7th September, underscores the global commitment to clean air as an essential element of human health, environmental sustainability, and economic resilience. The 2025 theme, Racing for Air, emphasizes the urgency of collective action to combat air pollution and safeguard future generations. To mark the occasion, the State Pollution Control Board SPCB Odisha, in collaboration with the EISCP Hub, Center for Environment Studies CES, under the Department of Forest, Environment and Climate Change, organized a bicycle rally in Bhubaneswar on 7 September 2025. The initiative was designed to inspire communities to adopt sustainable mobility choices and to highlight the importance of clean air for healthier lives. The rally was flagged off by Shri Satyabrata Sahu, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Forest, Environment and Climate Change Department.
क्लीन एयर पाई आमे जदि कम फसिल फ्यूल यूज करिबा जदि कम आमे निज निज जो इंडिविजुअल ट्रांसपोर्ट अछि ताको यूज करिबा आमे जदि पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करिबा आमे जदि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स यूज करिबा ताहले साइकिल यूज करिबा जेमकि हम मैडम कहले ताहले हमर वायु प्रदूषण कमिबो.
Shri Prem Kumar Jha, IFS, PCCF, Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden, Odisha, Mistress Uma Naduri, IFS, Member Secretary, SPCB. Earlier, the gathering was welcomed by Dr. Nihar Ranjan Sahu, Chief Environmental Engineer, SPCB, and concluded with a vote of thanks from Shri Prabhat Mohan Das, Coordinator, State EISCP Hub. The 5-kilometer rally, starting from Forest Park at 8 am and concluding at the SPCB office, witnessed enthusiastic participation from Eco Club school students, cycling enthusiasts, officials, and dignitaries. Nearly 500 participants, including around 250 students, actively took part, carrying placards, chanting slogans, and spreading awareness messages such as "Breathe healthy, be healthy." Adding to the outreach, e-rickshaws moved across major city locations, broadcasting audio messages on beating air pollution and promoting clean mobility choices. Ahead of the rally, students were sensitized to the health hazards of air pollution and the benefits of adopting cleaner, greener practices in daily life. The event successfully captured the spirit of racing for air by demonstrating that small, consistent actions, cycling, reducing vehicular emissions, avoiding open burning, can together make a substantial difference. It not only raised awareness but also inspired participants to champion sustainable lifestyles for a cleaner, healthier, and greener Odisha.